Hello all of my awesome viewers, this is Dead Chat and welcome to another how-to tutorial video. So in this video we are going to be discussing how to use another screen recorder. For those of you that have seen the basic shortcut keys for Xbox Live, we learned how to use those basic shortcut keys to record videos that are inside the gaming realms. And then later on we learned how to use Active Presenter, which allows us to record outside of the gaming realm and even record our screen. But there's one problem. We can't record on a mobile device. For starters, we can't download Active Presenter. And while there is an app for Xbox Live, we can't necessarily record using the Xbox Live app. So how can we record on mobile devices? Well, that's what we will be looking to in this episode, how to screen record on a mobile device. Like Active Presenter, I cannot use Game Screen Recorder to record on top of Game Screen Recorder. So I decided to prepare another presentation on how to screen record using Game Screen Recorder. And I'm happy to say that this presentation should be shorter than Active Presenter, at least slide-wise and minutes, because I have previously recorded this. So without further ado, let's go straight into how to screen record using Game Screen Recorder. So step 1, click on the Game Screen Recorder app. Once you hit the Game Screen Recorder app, the app will take you to this home screen and all the different apps that you can record. The home button will take you back to the screen. The video button will take you to your videos that you have previously recorded. And the settings button will take you to the app settings. Once you hit the settings button, the app will take you to this layout that is seen on the right hand of the screen. We will not be going over the entire settings, but just some of the important ones. So let's start off with the video settings. Resolution. Resolution will determine the quality of your video. A good rule of thumb is to either have 720p or 1080p quality because this is a standard HD quality that most users prefer, especially on a PC. And then you have the frame rate. The frame rate will determine how fast your video processes the image is being presented. You can think of the frame rate as a slideshow, because essentially what a video is a video is going through a slideshow of images and is just processing those images. The faster the FPS is, the smoother your video will be, and the more it will process the images. Like the resolution, a good rule of thumb is to have a minimum of 30 FPS, because this is the standard FPS that most users prefer, regardless of the device that the viewer uses. You could go overboard and go up to 60 FPS, but that's really fancy. That's not necessarily required, but you could do that. So now into the recording options. Audio. The record audio option will allow you to talk in your video. The camera. The camera option will allow you to have a face cam. And the stop by record button will allow you to stop the video with the record button, which we will begin to layer on this presentation. So now we're back to this layout. When you're ready to record, click on the app that you want to record on. Once you hit the app, a message will pop up asking you if you want to start capturing. If you hit the Start Now option, the app will automatically launch your game with a record button. If you hit the Cancel option, the app will cancel your attempt to start capturing. This is handy if you accidentally tap on the Start Now option. Now into our pre-recording phase. Once you start capturing your app, you will have a screen that looks similar to mine with a recording button. Yeah. The recording button will allow you to start recording your screen. Once you click on the record button, the app will take you through a 3-second countdown phase and start recording. When you are done with your recording, hit the same button you started your recording and the app will take you to a new screen. When you hit the stop button, the app will automatically take you to the video section where you can access your videos that you take. And now into the final information about Game Screen Recorder. So, Game Screen Recorder is available for download on the Android App Store. Not sure about the Apple App Store, but you could investigate that. And then all the features in this app are free. There are no in-app purchases or premiums, which makes this app really nice because, I mean, for most apps, for apps like these, sometimes you will see premiums and in-app purchases, but this doesn't have anything. So it's very convenient for the user to use. So that is all for this how-to tutorial videos. In the next how-to tutorial videos, we will be covering how to screen how to use screen chat capture on mobile devices that have Android software, and we will actually be doing a video on that instead of the presentation because I'm using using Game Screen Recorder for that, and you can't take pictures of that. And then in the next episode overall, we will be doing a Minecraft multiplayer server episode. So thanks for watching, and until next time, farewell till we meet again.